Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video, we're going to take a look at this bathroom fan. We're going to see how it looks while it's on, how it sounds. We're not going to install it on this video. I'll put a link on how to install a bathroom fan, which is very similar to one another. So the first thing that you're going to need for this to work is a 3-rocker switch to make the fan work at its best. Now, one of the things that I like about this is it comes in different colors: white, matte black, or silver. This one is white, so everything here is white. Also, it has warm white, natural white, and daylight, which is the cool white. And it looks like this right here on the picture. I like that it's dimmable. It also has a nightlight. It's ultra quiet. And the last thing, it has an adaptable humidity sensor switch. And here is more information about the fan. It has 90 CFMs, so it's quiet at 1.5 zones. It is an easy installation, and I'll put a video of where I installed one, so it's very similar to one another. Galvanized steel housing. Housing size is 7.5 by 7 1/4. It's dimmable, 15 watts, and the 5-watt nightlight. It's efficient up to 85 square feet, and you can put it above the shower or the tub. It's HVI certified and Energy Star certified. So here are the measurements on the left and more information. And here is their contact information just in case. So let's take a look inside. So here we go. First we have use and care and installation. Looks like a really nice booklet. Here's an illustration on how to install it. Contents. New construction on how to install it. Existing construction installation. Troubleshooting. And it's in other languages. So here is the cover. Usually they don't have any wires if they don't have a light. In this case, it does have this couple of cables because he has a light right around here, as well as I think this one, but we'll see it in a minute. I like the way it looks so far. And here is the motor. Here's part of the vent. So here they are. Here's how it gets vented out. Here is some hardware. And here is the motor. So let me plug it in to see what it sounds like and what it looks like too. I like that all the cables are labeled. So right now I can see that this one says fan. This one is the night light. And this is just the other light. So that's pretty cool that you have everything here. And you have the adapter here, so you can place this here so you can vent out the air. So once it's on, it pushes out the air. Once it's off, it closes. And here, right here, you have the plugs, so you can plug these, I guess probably these two, here somewhere. I think this one goes here, and the other two go here. So let's turn it on. It is quiet. I like that. It's fairly quiet. It's really smooth. It just sends the air out. So let me plug this in to know what the lights look like. On this side you have the springs, so it holds this up there. So it breathes in through here as well as all around. So it breathes really nice and throws out all the air here and out. So as for the light, let me turn it on. Let me turn this light that I have on my right off. It's nice and bright. So if you turn off and on, it'll switch colors. So right now it's warm white. This is in between. And this is the cool white. So you have 3 different colors. And finally, let's see what the nightlight looks like. And there it is. There's only one color, which is warm. And it makes sense because if you're only using it for the nightlight, you want something soothing and calm, relaxing, which is the warm white. The cool white color is for morning when you're in a rush, perhaps energized. The warm white is more relaxing. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.